Hello friends, welcome to all of you in our channel Empirical Adda. Today we discuss how you can send your own image as a sticker in WhatsApp. Watch this video till last. Let's start. First you have to download personal sticker and background eraser from Play Store. I already download it. You have to download this background eraser apps. I already download personal sticker apps. You have to download this personal sticker apps. Now I open background eraser and choose a picture from my gallery. Now I press the done option and touch auto option. You can see the background automatically erase. Now I touch done option and smooth it and save it. Now I touch finish option. Now I open personal sticker. And add it. Now I open WhatsApp and touch sticker option. You can see that picture I modified. Now sticker option. Through this way you can send your own picture in WhatsApp. For technical updates, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming video.